Come test drive the 2016 Optima. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, cargo net, leather seats, compass. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.